Welcome to Kingdom Monera, the world of single-celled organisms. These prokaryotes lack a nucleus, but they are the most abundant life form on Earth. Kingdom Monera are prokaryotic organisms. Their cells lack a true nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. Most members are unicellular, existing as single-celled organisms. Monera are incredibly tiny, generally ranging from 0.2 to 10 micrometers. Their cell walls are unique, except for ancient Archaea, which have a different composition. Monera cells contain a single, circular, naked DNA molecule. Smaller rings of DNA, called plasmids, may also occur.
Kingdom Monera consists of simple prokaryotic organisms.
Membrane-bound organelles are absent in Monera. There is no nucleus or mitochondria. However, 70S ribosomes are present, filling the cytoplasm.
Moneran nutrition can be autotrophic, photosynthetic or chemosynthetic, or heterotrophic, including saprophytic, parasitic, or symbiotic lifestyles.
Respiration in Monera can be aerobic, using oxygen, or anaerobic, occurring in its absence. Many species of Kingdom Monera move using flagella, while others are non-motile. Monera reproduce mainly by binary fission. Genetic recombination may occur through conjugation, transformation, or transduction.
Monera are found almost everywhere. They thrive in soil, water, and even inside us. They also rule extreme habitats, from boiling hot springs to salty lakes.
Members of the Kingdom Monera are life's unseen heroes. They drive nutrient cycling, fix nitrogen for plants, from producing foods like cheese and yogurt to advancing medicine and biotechnology. These characteristics make Kingdom Monera the simplest and most primitive group of living organisms in the traditional 5-kingdom classification system.
Monera is classified into major groups, such as Archaebacteria or Archaea, then we have Eubacteria, the true bacteria, and Cyanobacteria or blue-green algae. Archaea are ancient single-celled microbes. They thrive in Earth's most extreme environments. Like methanogens, halophiles, they redefine the limits of life.
Eubacteria, or true bacteria, are everywhere. They thrive in soil, water, and living organisms. Common examples include E. coli, lactobacillus, and bacillus. Cyanobacteria are photosynthetic. They contain green chlorophyll and fix nitrogen. Some fix atmospheric nitrogen. Examples include nostoc and Anabaena.
Ever wonder how bacteria connect? They like to share and multiply fast. So don't forget to subscribe for more microscopic world adventures.